Alright, I'm going to go over how we can utilize our Goblins for some cable management. I'll run this over. I want my clip facing back. Flip this over. Adjust. This is on a quad rail. So if I want to run that cable up inside of the clip to keep it tight to the rail right there. So that's a really good fit right there. And if I want to run a second one, run a second unit. I actually got this on our little shorty. We've got the cable clipped inside here. Same style cable running across the back, holding the back of the switch. You can also run this over this if you don't mind the feel of that, but it tucks nice over the top anyway. But everything still functions. Doesn't have enough pressure to trigger the push pad. We're running a Scout Light, the Impact and Haley Strategic Thorntail Centurion rail on a Ballistic Advantage upper with a True North Concepts radius grip, Yankee Hill brake for our can on this little shorty here. It's a nice little package, flatline fiber coat sling, and I've actually got a Goblin in the back through the QD on this SB Tactical Honey Badger style brace to keep my sling tucked away. That's it, guys.